Do you know that food and nutrition is important to living a healthy lifestyle? Are you looking to live a healthier lifestyle without sacrificing the taste of your favorite foods? Do you want to learn new recipes that can benefit your overall well being? If so, then you've come to the right place. Welcome to Food, Health, and Lifestyle with Sharon, your go to destination for all things related to food, health, and lifestyle. I believe that eating healthy doesn't have to be boring and expensive. So, on this channel, I'll be sharing tips and tricks on how to eat healthy without sacrificing taste. I will be sharing easy and quick recipes for busy individuals and insights into how to maintain a healthy lifestyle. But it is not just about the food on this channel. I will also be sharing ideas for incorporating exercise and mindfulness into your daily routine. I am passionate about helping you achieve your health and wellness goals. And as a food scientist, I am excited to share my knowledge and expertise with you. So, whether you're looking to make a healthy change in your life or simply want to try some delicious and nutritious recipes, you've come to the right place. I'll be posting new videos every time, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thank you for joining me on this journey towards a healthier, happier lifestyle. I can't wait to share my passion with you. See you on the next video. Bye.